These Java 11 features are must to know if you are a Java developer. Hi all, welcome to the channel Tech Trek. In this video, we will be learning on Java 11 features. I have created videos on Java 8 features as well. Please go and check out that. Okay, let's continue in this session. So today I have listed down these features which got introduced in Java 11 version. So we will go through each of them one by one. First is string methods. So there were few string methods which got introduced to handle string operations. So let's look at this with one example. If you see here, we have declared a text string variable which has values hello world. So if we will print text dot stripe, so this stripe method got introduced in Java 11. So stripe method will trim basically spaces from starting and from end. It will remove spaces after, like before hello and after world. So if you see, the output will be this. The second method is blank. So is blank will check if the provided string is blank or not, so and it will return a boolean value. So here the output will be false. Another method was repeat. So if you call this function repeat, and repeat takes one parameter which will be an integer value, how many number of times the provided string needs to be repeated. So if here we provided 3 times, so it will print out ABC, ABC and ABC. So apart from that, there is one more string method which is lines. If you see here, string str has string value line 1 line 2, but yeah, it has a one line in between slash n. So if we apply this method lines, what it will do, it will segregate and print out for each. And another methods are also there, like stripe leading. What it will do is stripe leading will remove spaces from starting, stripe trailing will remove spaces from the end. So likewise, these were few methods which got introduced for strings. Hope it was clear. And yeah, let's move to the next one. Next one is local variable. So for local variables, for lambda parameters, what we have learned, like in Java 8, lambda expressions got uh, lambda expression features got added in Java 8, right? So here in Java 11 we can use var keyword for lambda expression. So for example, I can show you. So if you see here, we are writing lambda expression. So we can add here var type. This name is string. If you see string of names, right, we are getting string name list of strings names here, and we are iterating on names list with variable name. So the type of name will be string. So to infer that, we can use var variable here in lambda expression. So this was one example for the lambda expression. So in Java 11 we can use this var. Now moving to next one. So next one is HTTP client. So before Java 11 it was not there, it got introduced in Java 11 only. So for example, earlier we were using different type of HTTP, like different type of uh, modules to communicate, right? So now we like HTTP client got introduced in package java.net.http, and here we can create HTTP client object, and we can call that URL to which we want to communicate with. So this got standardized in this version. Now moving to the next is ZGC. ZGC is Z garbage collector. So we have default garbage collector as well, but yeah, this Z garbage collector got introduced in Java 11, and the use was like specific advantage for this is it has low latency time, and without putting for hold or for long short with short period of time, it provides the garbage collections. So it is widely used for the applications which has high throughput. And yeah, this got introduced in Java 11. The next one is removal of deprecated and unused features. So there were Java EE features and CORBA modules which got removed in this version. So here CORBA module is like CORBA stands for Common Object Request Broker Architecture. So with this architecture, this enables us to create distributed systems in spite of what platform it is running on, and what is the language being used. So later point of time when we got introduced this REST APIs, and this Kafka, RabbitMQ got introduced. So Corba model got deprecated in this version. And if let's say we are migrating from Java 8 to 11, so if we our legacy system is using this architecture, so while migration we can use a third party Corba modules like Jack ORB or something to support our legacy system. Otherwise we need to move to or migrate to RESTful endpoints. So this got deprecated in this version. And another thing was when we download JDK earlier, before 11, so JDK comes with JRE separate module. So in this version JRE separate modules got deprecated, and we can download JDK version as it is, and it got included in the JDK only. And also to create our customized version we can use JLink to create our customized versions for that. So hope it is clear. The last one is nest based access control. So this has improved our like this is an improvement for our nested classes. Let's look at this with the example. Let's say this is an example, right? So here we have two classes, outer class and inner class. Outer class has one method, private method, which is x, and x value is this 42. So an inner method has a public, inner class has a public method which is print x, right? So it accesses this x variable here, and it is printing here the value of x. So here it is a nested structure. Outer is the outer class, and this is inner is the nested one in the same class. So ideally before 11 this private method was not accessible to the classes, inner classes, or lambda classes or anonymous classes. So this feature got introduced so that we can access the private variables of the same in the same nest, which are in the same nest in the lambda classes or anonymous or inner classes. So here if you could see, this private x variable is accessible here, and if we print that value it will print x, value of x. We can look into the features which nest based access control provides. So here yeah, as I said before, it provides access to the private members to the all other classes in the same nest. And this and other things are there are two terms here, nest and nest mates. So nest is the host is the first class, which is the nest, and nest mates are the inner classes or lambda classes or anonymous classes. So these are called nest mates. And this was an improvement, and the other access control rules are still applicable, so it improves the security. So this feature got introduced in Java 11. Hope that's all for this video. Hope this was helpful, and do like, subscribe and share for more. Thank you.